Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on your Nextdoor account. To change your language on Nextdoor is super easy. Open up your Nextdoor application or go visit a web browser and type in nextdoor.com in it. Once you are logged into your Nextdoor account, click on the page button on the top left, and once you're inside your page section, go to the upper right corner and click on this little card icon. Now click on the Year button in the pop-up and from the Accounts tab, scroll down and click on the Language drop-down. Select the language you want to change to for your Nextdoor interface and click on Save. Soon after you click Save, you will be prompted to enter your Nextdoor account's password. Type it down in the text box and click Continue, and this will immediately change your Nextdoor account's language. So that's how you easily change your language on the Nextdoor account in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.